From its base in North Shield's Tyne Wear, Bay Plastics produces work that's been seen the world over. Be it in the stage sets it's manufactured for the Olympics opening ceremony, BBC Sports Personality of the Year and the MTV Music Awards, or in-store point-of-sale displays for some of the UK's leading retailers. Closer to home, you may have seen its products in your own bathroom. There is nothing it can't create from plastic, it seems. Even its business card is made from its favourite material.
Plastics is very, very versatile. It's modern, it's funky, and it's got a room in the marketplace. Plastics have replaced metals in many, many engineering applications and taken weight out of aircraft, aerospace, out of train build. There's huge, huge potential in plastics.
Bay Plastics offers a complete service as a plastics stockist, plastic fabricator and plastic formist. A privately held company with a multi-million-pound turnover, it delivers large-scale bespoke projects for high-profile clients within construction, retail and event management. Equally, it's at home serving smaller companies and individuals. Pricing competitively, getting it right first time and delivering on time has been Bay Plastics' focus since it was formed in 1989.
The competition was supplying full sheets of product, standard sheets. They would cut it, but they made the client buy the full piece. So we started selling offcuts and part rods and part tubes, which was very successful. It was giving clients what they wanted. We became very successful as a distribution company, but realised we needed to add value. Our clients were asking, can you bend it, can you shape it, can you drill it, can you polish it? So we started adding those services to the offering, and the manufacturing side of the business evolved, and then in came the design services to offer a one-stop shop for all customer requirements.
Bay Plastics is based in this 38,000 square foot facility where it's invested in plant equipment and technology, staff and training. Its online ordering division, plasticstockist.com, supplies customers internationally with an extensive range of quality, semi-finished plastic materials, such as plastics for engineering and signage, glazing, construction and DIY. It's the distributor for names such as Perspex. Within the other arm of its business, Bay Plastics Fabrication, it can produce finished plastic parts for all industrial and commercial applications, from prototypes to batch production runs.
With a bespoke service, price obviously is very, very important, but it's never normally the main driver. The main driver for that business is about, can you do it? When can you do it?
Because of the investment we've made in the past 25 years, we're now in a position where we can compete in a global market. That's the massive thing, is that we've always had that can-do attitude and a positive attitude to change. Bay Plastics at the moment has 48 employees spread across 5 departments. We recruit the right people. Business is all about people.
Taking a client's vision and making it a reality is key to Bay Plastics' offering, brought to life by its use of the latest 3D mechanical CAD software that links through to its own production machinery. It's invested substantially too in up-to-the-minute CNC laser technology.
Taking a sketch of a piece of paper and being able to do the drawing, show them the visual, gives them the confidence that yes, they've got it, they know what we're after, they know what we're looking for, and that's what I'm going to get if they go ahead to manufacture it. So from a confidence building point of view with our client base, it's been very, very important.
Business moves so quickly these days, and we have so much competition, particularly from the Far East market, that we have to be at the cutting edge. If we see a gap in the market, we will always look at it.
With plastics used in numerous diverse sectors, the company has always been able to source work, even in a tough economy. Its team, many of whom are long-term employees, will work around the clock to meet a customer order.
We have very skilled operators here. I mean, I think one of the main things of Bay Plastics is having the right staff in the right place to do what the customer requires and keep the lines of communication open between the customer and sales, and production. from the front people that see the customer all the way to the man who wraps the parts to go out the door. We're all one big team, and that, for me, that's the best thing.
The firm produces acrylic protection covers for this architectural model maker, whom supplies property development businesses worldwide.
We've never had an order that hasn't arrived on time. We've never had an order that's been anything but correct. And that takes some doing in 25 years. And now all I do is pick the phone up and give a delivery date, and I know it's going to be there.
Keeping quality at the forefront of its operation, Bay Plastics says it's winning more business from the Far East. Keen to continue its growth, it expects to diversify into new manufacturing processes and techniques, with likely further investment as it seeks fresh ways to make plastic fantastic.
New technologies come along which is allowing us to basically introduce acrylic into light fittings, which is basically taking the new technology of LEDs and working alongside that to create new opportunities for office environments for specific lighting applications. And that in itself is a very energetic business.
The innovation that's happened in the last 25 years has been phenomenal, and I don't see any sign of that abating at all. The big chemical companies are always coming out with new ideas, new materials, and industry are presenting new challenges. Every day we're working with different problems and providing different solutions. So plastics has a massive, massive future. It's here to stay.